Hello. In this video, I want you to complete this sentence. I'm really, really tired of this. Okay, this. I want you to complete it. What are you really tired of in your life? I'm really, really tired of what? That's what I'm talking about today in this video. Sounds interesting? Please join me. Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. By the way, these flowers are for you. I wish I could deliver them at your door. They're for you. If you're new, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner here in Virginia, USA. And on this channel, I share what I know and continue to learn. I also like to motivate you, like in this one. The intention is to motivate you to do something. But normally, I also like to talk about books. I read books here, business books, money books, personal development. Those kind of topics are the ones I like. I just finished Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm now doing Cash Flow Quadrant. So that's what I do here. And then like this motivation, and sometimes I do YouTube tips, but I put those on hold. So if any of that sounds interesting, please consider subscribing to this channel. And when you subscribe, click on the bell too so you get notified when I have a new video. But I have to talk about my other people who are already fans, right? Appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here. If you already said yes, appreciate you. And for those of you, I hope you like the video. Please like the video, like at the beginning, so you don't forget, especially those who come on the premieres. And my schedule here, I'm here daily, 12:30 p.m. USA Eastern Time. So all those things I'm saying are very important if you want to find the location of this time. 12:30 p.m. USA Eastern Time. So if you went in Google and search for that, to give you the equivalent of where you are. I'm here premiering videos daily, but normally I'm reading books Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday and Saturday. But on Friday, I come live. So if you want to join me live, come on Friday. And then on Sunday, I do motivation. This one is a motivational video. Okay, that's my schedule. And today, I'm saying, I want you to make this statement. In fact, I wish you could get like a pen, a piece of paper or pen, somewhere to write, or write it in your phone, somewhere, and say, I'm really tired of this. This is unacceptable in my life. I'm really, really tired of this. But when I say this, I want you to complete it. I have some samples here for you to help you think, like what I was thinking about. You know, recently I finished a book with Dad Poor Dad, and in there somewhere, so Tanya, Professor Tanya, if you're going to watch this, I remember you picked out your takeaway from that book. You said, having a list of what you want and what you don't want. But today, I want to focus on just what you don't want. We don't have a solution in this video, but I want you to just figure it out. What is it that you don't want? You don't want anymore. You are tired. So I have a list here I like to write down. So this is what I have. I said, one of them could be, you know how you are in school? Maybe you're doing a master's degree or lower level education, whatever you started, like here in America, you could be in a community college, you know. But to do a degree, you can do credits, or classes, but they keep adding until you get to the total to get your degree. But it could take you 10 years doing your degree. So for you, if that's you, or if you know anyone who is in this kind of situation, share this video with them. Let them write down and say, I'm tired of being in school forever. I'm tired of being in school forever. If you've been doing one class, do 2 classes. Next time, do 3 classes. Focus on school and finish. That's the one in school. Then I have something else. I said, I'm tired of not having a place to call home. You know how you don't have a place to call home? You're moving from here, from there, to there, so sleep here, sleep there. I'm tired of that. I want to focus and work and create an address for myself, what I call home. Now, the next one I have here is I'm tired, for men, I'm tired of not having a wife. Having a wife takes hard work. First of all, you have to find the wife who's going to agree to say, okay, I want to be your wife, and then taking care of the wife. Assuming it's traditional marriage, you take care of the wife, right? You don't want the wife to be the one taking care of you. I don't know. I'm not a man. I don't know how that feels when you are the man and the woman is taking care of you. But I'm assuming you are a man who wants to take care of a wife, but now you are tired. You don't have a wife. So I'm saying, write down, I'm tired of coming home and there's no one. Maybe you even have a beautiful home. There's no wife. So I'm tired of having a wife. I'm assuming you want a wife. So write that down. And then, by the way, today I'm going to link my motivational videos. Now I don't know even how many I have. There must be over 60 or something. That playlist, I've been talking about all these topics. So affirmations, create affirmations, attract a wife. Okay, be close to me, be close to this channel. At some point I'll get into that topic, or how you attract what you want. But I already done it in the motivational videos. You can go. There's one where I taught how step by step how you. I'm learning, by the way. I learn and I share how you attract something you want. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about identifying what that is, what you are tired of. I'm tired of coming home and not having a wife in my home. And then, if you are a female, I'm tired of this life without a husband. You want a husband? So I'm tired of not having a husband. Let's focus and get you a husband. I'm not saying I do that. I'm saying when you focus, you'll get one. If you really want a husband, you'll get one. So, and then you could be a couple, or not even a couple, but just a person who wants children. And you say, I'm tired of not having children. Then that's your tired sentence. I'm tired of not having children. Or you could say, I'm tired of not having a family. By the way, having a family is really important, especially when, like on occasions, when there are functions or like important days, and it's just you, no family. So you can say, I'm tired of not having a family. You create a family for yourself. You can create a family. You don't have to, like children, you don't have to have your own children. You can adopt children. You can take care of people. You invite them in your home. They live with you. People who need a place to stay. That will be your family. You can create a family yourself. So this video is about the things we want and the things we are tired of not having. Tired of not having this thing or this, the feeling you're looking for. And then another one I have, community. Do you know it's important to have a community? Like a community you call your own, where you go, you gather, you have people, like you have a function, people you invite, like say where to go. Some people it should be a church community, like your community. For me, I have a community here, my own community, a Muslim community. You can have, or it could be a culture thing, or same culture. Like here in America, there are so many people from all kinds of countries. So you have like your community, those you call your people. If you haven't figured out what your community is, you feel lonely sometimes. So I'm tired of not having a community. So start creating it, start going out, start volunteering, and belong somewhere. Then I have someone, this is not the normal kind of video I would record. I'll be talking other things, but today I said, let me talk about these topics too. So you could be tired of not having a skill, like a skill. You could be hired at jobs, but you don't really an expert at something. You're not called something. You don't know anything that you say, this is what I know. That's how I earn my money. So what is it for you? If you are tired, there are things you could train just 6 months. Just 6 months, you're an expert in something. So I'm tired of just picking up a little money here and there and not having a real skill that is valuable, that I can earn good money. So figure out what that could be and get to train and learn and have a valued skill. I'm tired of not having a skill. I'm tired of borrowing money. Asking for payment plans. They're like here, where you have a water bill. You have to call the company, ask for payment plan, please. Can I pay half? Can I pay? I'm tired. You say, I'm tired of this. Borrowing from friends, borrowing from family. Now they don't want to talk to you anymore because you borrow. I'm tired of borrowing. Okay? And then next to that, I'm tired of not having enough income. Being worried about my bills and everything. The children, like if you're children where they pay school fees, America doesn't pay school fees, only if you're in private school until high school. There's no school fees. You don't pay but you pay the books and all that stuff. And they don't wear uniforms here. So you really have to dress them up. They change clothes every day. So it's a big budget to dress them up, going to school. And also to drive them to school, you have to do all that stuff. But you don't pay school fees. Just pay taxes. And but university, that's where the job is. Then it's so expensive. That's not a part of the topic today. My point was, if you're in a place where you have to pay children's school fees, I'm tired of going to the school begging to pay half or quarter all the time. Your kid being kicked out of school because you don't have money. I'm tired. Say, I'm tired, write it down. And then, this video is not about figuring out how to solve the problem. It's about figuring out what you're tired of. Because when you get to that emotion of being tired, it's going to drive you to find a solution. Remember, my channel is about take a step to make your life better. So then we find those steps we need to take. How about those people who do it? Those people who don't have to beg. What do they do different? They're people too, right? It takes a decision. It takes a decision to say, I'm tired of this and I'm going to change something. Okay, I don't want to go into the 80-20 rule, how you decide what's not important, what's important, but all that I have on my channel. The videos I've been recording, most of the motivational one, I'm going to link it. I've covered all these kind of things. You have a lot of time you are not using properly. Sorry for judging you. If your life is not in order, to put it in order, you're going to drop some things and some people. You're going to drop some people too to make this a better life. You may have to drop some people and some that's just came through. Yeah. So I'm tired. I'm really tired of not having any savings. You don't have any saved money. They say always save 10% of what you earn. It doesn't matter if you have Rich Dad says it in the book. It doesn't matter if you have enough or not. 10% is going over there. Then you figure out how you're going to pay your bills. That will drive you to earn some more money. As long as you're determined to pay yourself first and put 10% aside, then you have savings. Forced savings. Can you do that? I'm tired of not having any savings. You're always worried. What will happen if I lose this job? What will happen if this money doesn't come? You are always worried. So I'm tired. I'm tired of that. And then I'm tired of feeling like, for example, there are functions. You're invited. You're the only one who's not dressing right. You can't afford to shop and dress well, the way you want. I'm tired of not being the one who cannot dress well at functions. Like people you went to school with, your friends in the community, you come up, you always the one not dressed right. I'm tired of that. Jim Rohn is the one who says this man was so tired of it, he ripped everything up and he said, I'm not even going to give it to anyone. I'm just going to rip it up because no one deserves to wear things like this. I'm so tired. And then soon, everything was new. He figured out how to earn the money. You get tired, okay? And then the other one I have is like a car. Some people care about cars. For me, I care that a car takes me where it's supposed to take me. But some people care about what it looks like. If you're like, especially males, females too. You like a nice car. I'm tired of being the only one driving this old car. If you're tired, new cars cost money. You get to work, you get busy, then you buy a car. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. And finally, the one, but these are suggestions. Maybe I didn't get into some topics like I'm tired of this weight, the way I look, not fitting my clothes. I'll have to lose this weight. Those kind of things. I'm tired of this relationship. I put this as the last one on my list. What relationship are you tired of? I'm tired of this person because I can't move forward with this person. So either you solve it, you figure out how to make it better, or you are tired. But that doesn't have to be husband, wife. It could be just another person. It could be a friend. It could be someone you have in your life who is making it hard, making your life terrible. Say, I'm tired of this. I have to break away from this situation. So these are just guidelines for you. Please, 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 promise me you're making a list. If you don't mind, share in the comments. What are you tired of? What are you changing? I didn't cover how you change it, but I said be tired first. That's a step. And make a decision. I'm going to change it. Then you take the step. Remember? Take a step to better you. That's what I said. So different areas I could have gone on and on, but you know what it means. Feeling like you are good enough. I'm tired of feeling like I'm less than. I'm tired because we are unique, we are special. God created us to be you are special people. So if you feel like you can't get your full potential, then it's your job. No one is going to do it for you. Me, I'm just here talking. I don't know you. I'm just here talking. Please go inside and check yourself. Take a time to breathe and think. Are you really what you want to be? You feel it could be? Because you could be much, much better. Much, much better. If you are watching me, if you have time to watch me, I always say, if you have time to watch me, you could do better because you wouldn't have time for me. Okay? Seriously, what are you really tired of? I'm really tired of. Make your list, make your list, make your list, and then against it, put what you want. Remember, what you don't want, Professor Tanya? What you don't want is what we've been covering. But what do you want? Then on the right, if you have this on the left, on the right, against each sentence, put what you want. Put what you want. If you keep writing it and affirming it, get to watch my video, I am statements. It's everything is included in the motivational one. You can create what you want by using those affirmations, those I am statements, by focusing your time, not wasting time. You cannot waste time. Everything we are talking about takes effort, takes some sacrifice. Okay? That's my video today. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me. If you don't mind, share. What are you tired of? What is unacceptable to you starting today? And it starts today. You come watch me, watch my videos. Oh, that's a good video. But what do you really do after that? My intention is for you to take some kind of action. Today, the action is just to write it down. Write down what you don't want and then what you want instead. Okay? That's my video. Leave a comment for me. Share it. Especially if you know someone that I talked about in this statement. Someone who's right there, not changing. What is a frustrating situation that you look at it and say, what happened to this person? This person could be a friend, could be a relative, share this video. Okay? Like I always end them. I say, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your family. Take very good care of your health. Leave a comment for me. Like the video first and leave a comment. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.